Hey guys, today I'm diving into Crossword Wanted. Can I help and lead you on set up a high score? Stick around to find out. This is chaos. God, took us 8 seconds before getting caught. Let's try another one. No, I don't know how to control this thing yet. Just I downloaded it yesterday. Run! Oh no! So as you can see in the top of that, I got 3 lives, but I only got 1. That is pretty good. I got 31 seconds before getting caught. So we're down to our last live. So I got arrested, but that was pretty good, 40 seconds. That's all guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.